Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and today I have some of my favorite nails that I have done. You'll have to excuse me, I'm a little bit under the weather and I'm trying to push through and edit some videos, and unfortunately there may be a couple where I sound a little congested, but I will have all the colors listed below because I'm not going to remember them off the top of my head like at all. So this is going to be a pretty basic tutorial. It's more like just watching me do my nails because I'm keeping it all in real time, and it's not that long of a video because I just cut out all the things that you don't need to see. So this again is real time, so you just see me slowly just painting these bad boys on. I got most of the previous color off of my nails. You may see a few kind of dark red spots. Those are from my previous nails, which are already up, so you can check those out below or in the corner if I remember to do that. I tend to not remember to do things like that. So I am doing a glitter on the middle finger, and then I am doing solid colors on the rest of the nails, except for the pointer finger. Well, I am doing a solid color on the pointer finger, but I am actually doing a buttercream. So all I do, oh, sorry, this one is way out of focus. For the buttercream, so all I do is build that up with clear, which you will not see because I was like, you guys have seen it so many times that I figured I would just go ahead and skip that for you guys so you can just kind of see the fun parts. But I have plenty of other tutorials with that. So coming in with the second coat, and you can really see the second coat with this. I believe this is pollen. Let's pollinate. I want to say that's what this one is. And a second coat with this really makes a difference. I know some of the other ones, like you can get away with one coat, but this guy is so pretty on a second coat. And of course, glitter on glitter on glitter is like the best. So naturally I did that. I should have done more of a clear tip. I mean, my tip wasn't not clear, but it had like my natural nail under it, and I was like, looking back, I should have done a clear tip, but it's okay. I still really liked how it came out because it wasn't, I don't know, overdone. Although, I mean, 5 different colors on 5 different nails may be considered overdone. And I didn't match them on the other hand. So you can see the other hand where my middle finger is actually this neon color, which obviously I'm obsessed with these colors. This is like perfect for summer. I went to Miami, so I call these my Miami nails, but I love them. So I'm gonna go ahead and let you guys finish watching this part, and I will be back. Magically, we have filed our nails. Ha 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 ha. So yeah, I cut out that pointer finger, and this guy I'm just coming in and adding that missing spot. You can see I kind of got a little bit too close, and I have actually gotten so much better at really getting my base down. So when I file, I don't file off the color. So here is that buttercream, and look how pretty it is. I think it's actually the one I have on my thumb as well. This is a couple weeks later, so I don't have the set of nails on anymore. I wish I did. Looking at this, I'm like, man, I really love these. And I filmed this back in the end of February, like straight up the end of February. Like I had to do my nails before I left, and I left on a Thursday night. I think I did one side on Wednesday, and then like the 2 hours before I had to leave for my flight, I did this hand. Yeah, so I'm editing this at the end of March. and I had so much fun. Anyway, so I wiped off the tacky layer and I'm coming in with some striping tape, and I left this in real time so you can see, I mean, striping tape takes some practice, but it's not the end of the world. Like, I find striping tape to be easy as long as you don't touch it. When I mean don't touch it, so you can see I touched the side that was not on the nail. So for instance, when I pull it off the spool, I will touch the side like that's loose, and then I will put the side that I cut from the spool down. Does that make sense? So you don't touch that side. So I come in and straight top coat this, and then I actually flash cure this because I want that striping tape to be down and I want it to be fully flat. So that's why I do a top coat immediately and then flash cure it. So I'm gonna go ahead and finish top coating all these bad boys, and I am doing this guy with a chrome powder. So you see I am actually using Kira Sky's No Wipe top coat here, and just making sure I get it all. And yeah, this is all in real time. So I am just taking a pearl chrome powder. I don't know the name of it, but it's from Born Pretty, and it's just, like I said, it's a pearl powder. So it leaves the color below, which I absolutely love. And of course, I'm not in frame. You would think that I would want to get in frame. So I did a 15-second cure, I think, on this, and then I applied that powder. So glitter isn't enough on one finger naturally, so I'm going to add it to this bad boy, and then I will top coat. So thank you guys so much for watching. Go ahead and give this video a thumbs up and subscribe, and I'll catch you in the next one. Bye-bye.